But what if when him say a sexy a vida? Jini me vida.
One was in Rayanka vida. Fido say become vida.
Oh men sama no.
That was a sexy vida.
Yes, me pesa omo a ebia omontiase.
Obiatiase no kitre
sexy vida.
So what chief for na no mukasa.
Yeah.
And now chiro.
Me kan vida ni we and me sabe ka vida no.
And round for one ka vida.
Yeah, and now vida
straightforward. Say di vida na o kan vida. It's at the na dey person o kan vida.
So me pesa me unse no obisa me no.
Okay,
okay,
sexy vida.
Sexy vida.
Me dey say no vida na ye me dey.
Vida na dey pa.
Don't say you wan come it so be kan vida da.
Oh, me dey mateda.
Mateda.
Yeah, mateda. And that very day I met and saw me dim.
Okay.
Ti me obi a minim no the vida bia no meta friend vida.
Yankoi.
Yeah. Na enno me de beto atiefo anim say sexy vida. Free our free ne afia shwas nega babonte na wabekasa. Unim so no eba ne media no so wakasa pa.
Yeah.
Na obae no wabeka nsem bebre. Wose bibia anya ne ya ene mofra na sexy vida eja omo ho no. Enti ne fiashwa akasa pa wo trema wo so se wo free mu na wo mako nwotwe wo mu nyina hwe se wo ja wo ho no arehosem enti fiashwa ba bonten a hwe se arehosem eno ne abejo so ne ya pa ne raho nse wo abofra na we awofo e wo se abofra no timi guide no timi tete no enyamestro kwan so but se wo be wo mofra mako nwotwe na obewu akwaja wo no arehosem efiashwa na wo kasa ansem no nim so no de ya na otake Canada pa won tentan so.
Yeah, I mean we say as odidi sexy vida tem.
Yeah, odidi na tem.
Na obi a wo use ya kan echi asem sa.
Unza yeso obi yen kan echi na chi asem money but efiashwa de etefa so na atiafa so.
Ba asem na afie kan ya mpanzo because Ultimate gas wedding sem hunti mayenka.
Oh, ene die but once a nipa na wu ne de wo kan ensesa hwe.
But ultimate kana afofro situation dey.
Well mum dey but ade na nipa ne tiase no wanka.
E bia wo kan na nipa na ntie.
Nti wantie a wu na wu no na obetie. Ntumi I think
so. Na se ne de nye de wu no na one ne kasa. One Ghana fo ne kasa se de be bi.
So time o tiase no so no obetumi aka ma Ghana fo asua bi.
Se that time no kan.
Inti o kan ne yensuya se yensuya no.
No.
Me who say will be at least give the person that honor and respect.
Oh no, Mark. Me de nyam fa sama minimo pana wako yi boni bia we di bia me no ufiri mu a.
Yeah.
Me e wo se me kan meka. E wo se me kan kwa de ameka.
Se nipa no ewu boni no ma fine. But eno na chi na ebia nipa no ewo tebia bia wo ma na bra bia wo bo na ebia nipa na afiri afi na wo bibie so wo na wo kasa ansem no wo tene ana tina no na make us sinners judging sinners for sinning differently. We are selective judges and are selective sinners.
Onim mentene be ni nkire se wo ya de entina me ni hu kwan se
nipa na wo awie.
Wow.
Meme de ne say so we can obi asema wo kan ma nipa na de asesa afiri ho.
No but in this case no o kan ma afoforo asua de afiri mi
because my point ne say ade na otiase no wanka.
Oh otiase wo kan so
nti wo kan na nipa beti a ye tie dada enye wu a wu na chi no na be ma abusu edi areho
otomfo adwuma mu a ho be bi obo ne pa ne se hia no
ho hia nti ade na otiase no wankoso wa ammo
obo
na wu awie. Let me point in.
What am I menko if you
are? We vide with the mamma. Me vide and casa. No, or a very stupid girl. Vide. Jimmy Nakuno, or a very stupid girl. But ni wunya me de. Debbie. Or bad time to me sorry wunya ne ma 8. Na me am your bad time me near babaje. I have been very sad. Me catch me kun so bi catch me survive bewu. Ama me ra ho san ka me ka se ni papa wa bodam. But me ra wo. Why put na vida de ne meja no kwadofo be me. Me ra wo. Enti mo mo celebrate survive wu no. Enti sa hwe a. Na wo be ka ni twam nsam kire ye me de sere. Enya sem papa. E ma wani nye. Sa wo ba time eweja ne marketing kete pele mame enye ni jesam ya brohusam enti mo celebrate no munya jim
if ya se sebio vida ewu no be just say ono anepana
from the work candidate actress ono e kan ho bi who say wo kan asem bi na no say the obia na mu no problem bia obi na mu no part of the problem yeah nti bia from the work can bia ono aka ho bi e na ni wo ne bae from the fresh was nigga e kan
okay
our system what tie nyum bi amana wura mu asuda
ayi bebre
enombe ya
we dos we be a gospel we be grandpa a secular ba say
ba ko pe
sa akode ni Shatawale wonyumbi
okay
it go be
yeah
means it go be sa akode the first verse we do baby was wasori no pay the only any bedi mo am sugar level bread no nim the ebesi and so kai say insura won so hwe nichi won za hono no say me sanyo be na me ju hono mo ami na me tini so na ma emre
me a movie na mo hwe su da no kra na me sha na me sha yeah movie Nigeria movie o me nyine na mu say ready me di nkwasi asem
o da be normal me
yeah
movie a okay me ya akoda movie a hu pa me ntimi hwa ene me hwa ana ade me timi kra nhwe
yeah
say na enu kwa na chewa amu de ye o sisi aye hu a but ene ope movie a me hwa scary movies pa and I make sure no kwana abrofo na here with a high quality production yeah and I make sure massage headphone a dum light na be shebu send there normal
yeah normal
say oh yeah krana
because me kai say na video center krana enye dem let me teach you na me soon like na no hear me more
na dey how
no it was like na say omo tete it was one lady bi na omo tete
na lady no yada
na no hear me more not say me yada no but the situation on them one na ma reho
and usu say
like I was shedding tears na video center but na me teachiri
and like one su anye dede
but me tears na bani na me ten na my left and right so be here me no my wife tears na like na ma reho me na am say way yeah Kobe Mokraт empo growing up I've been through worse situations than that
okay
me who ne normal but me movie na me sana me su yeah na the America ko si nyina ne say wonim tema kunkum
me no ba
yeah kunkum baga na man be gi side no hosti na wonim say utu kotena bruchi or ware first one ware na nyina e ware second one still na nyina wasan ba nichi waba Ghana na no e na okọ interview e na nkomodidie mu a e no say time a okọ in the lowest moment time na onam saa ne manum no na enum mienu pe na utia a chese etimi hye nkura etimi Kenya no na ba kwe Moses Bliss
okay
eno ye too faithful na just saa nyom no chima otie saa nyom na the song keeps her going eno ba pa Christine nyom bin so eno so otia eno na keep her going enti no na just saa nyema na ofam no so ba be conference bi ama ma e wo Ghana o mo nam same situation dem kotie how I fast by area e beto so amatie for
was it Moses Bliss Too Faithful and Obapa Christie. Those songs, if it was the song that used to keep me through it all, because when I'm going through it and I start listening to that song, you are who you are yesterday, today and forevermore. What you say is what you do. You never fail, you never change. You were faithful to the end. Faithful God, I worship you. And the part that I love so much. Oh my God.
Oh, what is you? Wow. And you know the face YouTube nintino. Yentimi ma enyo copyright issues nintino. Ye jumade na cause SOMPA FM live on YouTube. Obenya update ni nyina ho.
Na system o ehina nka obepese obi sha odofo o ho kani o mfem pade a opese wo be wa no na na akotena bobra.
Baby am person mission.
Yeah.
Well, once nyame asem de baby a mishiana but de be me fe pa yese.
Yeah.
What bisa asempa
baby a pese obi sha.
O feel awie story obi na mo.
Okay, material maybe sound. Na Stonebwoy na kasa yi. O say baby a obi sha odofo de nkenhye da mfa ho. Also kɔ years na kwenya ba say e was a je number you call go ni ku bu fuel na say this a college je number also ultimate je number so call e party
o jubility ara na say and e was say Jan asem kon say oje anaye ka no o say ni Jan
Stonebwoy chirema be obia ni mebi obehia na dofo enti man hwese bia wo kɔ asɔre nti chenchena asɔre mu na obehia odofo be ware no obetime hwe obi wɔ kwan ho bia wo pe direction kike o check direction na mo exchange contacts from there betime ato aso abɛya ware enti be bia obehia odofo de won share nim and so be from especially a man
direction
peace ene na yonko form man se be ma bi kra wo kono ye wo se no frɛ wa enye bia na ye ope o ebia na nyame hyehyɛ ne masronko bi dia ma o
na nra komo be na minimum di
yes minimum any peace yes but enti no e man na ye frɛ mu a na so wo me de jame ye frɛ na so wotu afa na wo kono one hwe awade papa bi e be hwero Stonebwoy chima emfa oni bibia bi shout off
beam
yeah
we will put you on camera. We'll put you on camera and let the guys know you're single.
Can I answer for them? Gone were the days to go to church, you meet your family, your cousins, your extended families, and that's how you socialize and that's how you meet people at funerals. People took numbers at funerals and they linked up, and people took numbers at weddings.
People are linking up in the funerals?
Like you don't think it's possible?
I mean,
we are crying together. I'm crying. You are crying on the other side. We meet crying. We finish crying. We have to say, okay, hi, you were crying so hard. Yeah, that's... Bro, you cannot socialize in crying. Listen, I was on a flight before the turbulence was turbulencing. Everybody was nice instantly.
But yes, dear Mike, no question. You find love for her. A bit my
oh, but if I say, who's a one be a sober? I say, it's a
horrible cry, a dangerous crazy baby.
But me who say Kenya bado?
Man, what am I say? Didn't say bad to me.
Yeah,
Nipai. Eden sebi funu dampam enti no biara ho nipa no ubekofie no ye ba akoko nyini pa ka se ba akoko nyina ono no ye ba no ono no oyo autocratic on tese o ka kro ma won ka bi sa ba no aye na se don timi be da sa suban na dio oba aye na se obi esu de tie bia ono so be emotional me kaze bi ko no ni bibi ne dampa ma obe hu no okokrokro na akoso no my lovely at that moment ba maza
mum de wo kan mate ase de ba men se be bia me pese me yi me hu kani ho sorry dem
me so ne nka me pa sorry dem sin
me pese me yi me do fo
so ya se de obi efiki obi okra won suda ko gine ya se
some of the things I've seen with my eyes church girls ni bi general system.
Oh, na say church girls na yes.
Very good, but obi wo ho on say obi a oye church girl ho obesaya e worse than obi a be oye street girl a obesesa abe church girl.
Oh no, say change there. Say me a church girl. Na me change abe bad. Obvious say me bad things.
Bi wo ho a we just a church goer.
But once I'm now kind say no me person obey sa comparison. Okay. Or a church girl. Na o say be bad. Definitely obey bad things.
To obey worse than the street girl.
No. Obey equal. And I'll be a street girl. No, a street na awi boom. And I also say be a good thing. So this comparison means
it matches because they make them person me trying to say church girl no assassin no or good. But we no ba be worse.
Yeah, because
this person has been bad and is converting to become good. Assassin here we the hinanka hope.
No, unim. So okasa me make me choice I don't know so e differ from asma okay. Nipa no or you good and I also say be bad. It will make mass say be bad. I don't know achieving the highest good. And I nipa no or you bad. And I also say be good. Or make mass say be best impo.
Of course. Into me I would
there
because me I am looking at
e bia unya mas unti mas. Me good me kwa bad.
I understand you. And nothing I make choice and I'm looking at the end and nothing I would prefer say nipa no be not just e bia obi a wase. Not obi a wase.
But o time me there and is sama me. Oh, cause usro church girls. Neze amigas any pan or street was or be best or church usro. So in this case, how are you going to get
the point is one and I person just say I would want to bring her to the church rather than picking somebody from the church and later no or better free church in Akko streets. I am looking at the ending.
Stories nasa
akabako.
If I won't mean it, na me have much na fashion fridge.
China
Or last words ne.
Last words ne de ye kwe de mamencha humble lion. No no wuti o kan ya humble we me o tese mo se me penya ahyepa. But me so de nka be ma bia de nka list. Nti humble me chiao me chia tifu nyina so.
Wow, me da say my G entertainment and us the Nyash man. Ena ote ne nka no peace wo di besi ho no mo ana ye be